Want to create a Telegram account using your email instead of a phone number? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to do it easily. Make sure you watch till the end because I'll also show you a simple trick if Telegram asks for a phone number. Open the Telegram app after installation. Telegram will ask you to log in or create a new account. Tap on Create New Account. Select your country. You'll be asked to enter your phone number. This is required for verification. Enter the code sent to your phone number. Once verified, your account will be created. Now to link your email. Go to Settings. Tap Privacy and Security. Look for two-step verification. Set a password. Add your email address. Verify email address. This helps secure your account and allows recovery. If you don't want to use your personal number, you can. Use a second SIM card. Use a virtual number app. Be careful and use trusted services. After verification, you can still connect your email for security. Many people think you can create a Telegram account with only email. That's not possible right now. But adding email after sign-up gives you extra control and protection. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. And comment below if you want more Telegram tips.